Hey, what's up, guys? A lot of y'all already know that Daisy BBs, well, Daisy was bought out by Gamo a couple of years ago, and ever since then, their BBs have just been absolute trash quality. And it's really a shame because they were very inexpensive and very precise back then. And if you go back and look at some of my unedited videos where I was trying to get to 100% with 4K, I mean, thousands of rounds fired, no jams, nothing. So the other day I was thinking, well, daisies are still very inexpensive. I'm gonna figure out a way to make them work. So I redesigned the auger, and we're about to put it through a torture test. So come along with me. The plan is I've got a whole bunch of BBs that I've already fired, and you guys know if you save them, what happens is once you shoot them, they will hit one another and get dented up. So I'm gonna go in here and get a nasty batch. Now there's all sorts of other crap in here, so gonna have to fish through that a little bit just to get the trash out. Let me set this up over here to make sure I'm not cheating. Yeah, I apologize for the shaky camera, but now I'm just getting out little pieces of wire. When I pick up these BBs, I use a nail picker, like a roofer would use. And it picks up everything from in here in my shop. Everything metal anyway. Speaking of, if you have a machine shop or, a bunch of little bits of metal laying out around wherever your gun is, you need to be real careful where you set it down, because the auger will suck up pieces of metal inside it. There's a little slit on the side of the magazine that it can suck things up in. Yeah, I realize this is boring for y'all, but I don't know how this test is going to turn out. I've got high hopes. I think these are about done. Let me see if I can find one to show you. Yeah, I mean, a bunch of these are dented up. Oop, want that going in there. I mean, just little dents like that. Okay. Set y'all right over here. So I've already got my magazine hooked up to the power supply. Don't try this at home, kids. Okay, come over here with me a minute. I got about 24 volts going through this power supply. Let's see if we can jam this magazine. How about that? Well, there's still some in there. Well, we did manage to jam it. But let's see if it was a BB that jammed it. That's still pretty incredible, you know, even if it was a BB that jammed it, because, you know, a lot of the times they won't even work on Daisy BBs. And I was testing this yesterday with these BBs, and ran them through. Well, first of all, I was trying to tune up my Bumblebee, but I ran those through at least 5 times without any problems. And it was not a BB that jammed it. This is what jammed it. How about that? All right, guys, I got some more testing to do with the new design, but yeah, so far it's really, really promising. There's all kinds of crap on it now. Wow, and it was still working. It's kind of like testing an AK in the mud. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Later.